Right, we're coming up to something, not exactly sure what it is, maybe a checkpoint. Just after I switched the camera off, just after that, I'm just feeling it sort of sitting on the road, you know, just moving the handlebars a little bit, but I think I put them a little bit too much, and I was up to 110. Anyway, it felt like, hang on, is this a wobble? What's going on? I think no, it was fine, but it felt a bit. So I think I must also just be careful of getting it up too fast. You know, 110, it's, you know, things can get unpredictable with the wind pushing you this way and that way. So I think we just got a police check. It's a weighbridge on the other side there. Yeah, we've got a police checkpoint. Let me just switch off.